1,000 elephants trunk. The badly fleeced elephants are Bhima marching. Bhima with his mace, killing each elephant, going back. Killing and tossing, killing and tossing. You find because the dead elephant are touching the skyline up to the clouds. See that the riders, they become the dead elephant. See what a beautiful sight. Back in the war, in the war of 18, Mahabharata war, charging. ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಗೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಂಬರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾನರ್ ಕಳಿಸಿಲ್ಲ ಫೋನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಕಳಿಸ ಆಯ್ತು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. It's the binocular telescope that invented by the Galileo in 17th century, but our people used it in 12th century. See, it might not be a binocular, it may be a piece of bamboo, and they try to concentrate on a particular spot something. See the arrows, you find exact look like a rocket, these are arrows. See the straws for drinking coconut and also drinking Coca-Cola, Pepsi. So we had concepts of arrows here. See the arrows. And they look like a rocket. This is Lakshmi and this asparagus. Lakshmi Vishnu. Very beautiful Lakshmi. Vishnu is a flower of this launch and ways. It's a beautiful ornaments with both like them golden.
বুঝলা কি কইছে? হ্যাঁ